The goal with this activity is to really work the legs, loosen up the hips. It's a really good move if you're trying to drive rotation to one side. So on the box side, it's going to be increasing external rotation. On the ground side, it's going to be increasing internal rotation. It's also good for driving IR the hips. Improvement straight leg raise, lots of stuff. Here's what you're going to do. Get a box, get some type of block. You're going to get an asymmetrical stance. So I'm going to stay bilateral or have my legs in line. One's going to be on a book or a box. You're going to start with soft knees. Exhale. Reach. Hold this reach. On the inhale, you're going to go hips back. Sit on weight. Exhale, bring it up without locking up or getting upright. Rinse and repeat like so. That's how it's done. Give it a shot.